right, Bill Wu here. Today is January 8th, 2021. We have our little trip. Here's our rendezvous point. We have a little special guest here, fans only JD XOXO6969. See the background right there? We just picked her up. We got Larissa, we got Somé, we got two Phils, and we got me. So we're all heading out to Anza Borrego and gonna see our little trip here. Here we go. Oh, come on! All right, this is the reveal. Grasshopper. What is that we see there? Is that JD XOXO69? Right, we are at the mouth of the trailhead here. Bernardo's airing down. Jessica's just getting ready. Do it in the middle of nowhere. We're actually in a canyon here, Calcite mines. We just took one of the roads, got to a dead end, and there's Jessica. She's out peeing in the wild, running there in her birthday suit around. Can't keep her clothes on. Jessica, be appropriate here in front of kids. We're eating.
Work out.
Okay, let's see here. Turn your light on. What you got in here?
Fried chicken.
Is it fried? Oh, it's fried already. Woohoo! You're on top of it. Okay, let's do this.
Phil,
What do you tell me what you're doing here?
got some asparagus, some like baby bell peppers. Taking the water out right now. Some butter.
Also May's cock.
Fucking
May's
awesome.
cock.
Fucking snow.
And bottles up. Woohoo!
It is. No, it is.
This is the
It's
Forerunner
$8.
sleeping setup right here.
This is the $22.
Wait, is that radio going off?
No, I turned it off.
Yeah, he turned it off.
Somebody set up. That was just a Forerunner back there. Oh, somebody has the Coleman Walmart sleeping bag in here. Hopefully he stays warm.
But I have a nice down feather
Oh, okay.
blanket. And I got
There's Bernardo set up. He has a rooftop tent. Good morning, sunshine. Jessica XOXO69. This is our camp spot at the end of this wash. We're in Calcite mine trails. That's where I slept last night.
Good morning, man. It's awesome. Yeah, right?
January 9th, 2021. Here we are. Calcite mine area. Here we are. All right, different angle here.
Give me one going up.
This is a different angle of how steep the side is. And that actually looks even steeper from down here. So
Come on, Bill, take the Jeep.
how good is your insurance? Nice. No problem. Our lunch rendezvous slot. And these are our tortas made by Chef Phil here. Phil and Phil Jr. We're here waiting for Bernardo. We're at the parking lot. This is it. This is what we're doing. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Going through the slots. We got JD XOXO69. This is the narrow part. I'm gonna have problems here.
Holy crap, turn the lights on.
Right there. In the valley of the stacking rocks. This phenomenon is still a mystery. There is the Slot Canyon down there. Canyon Sin Nombre. Here we are. Made it just in time. We're at 4:49. right, we have pork chop and ribs. That's the dinner tonight. This is our Mexican hat, thanks from Phil. This is our little like sombrero cooking device, since somebody forgot the grill.
I made
What do
my
you think
lunch.
about that, somebody?
So,
So this is our campsite.
about the same as yours.
How are you doing this? You putting your...
Flexible. There you go. All you have to do is just get the...
It's like an ostrich. Just the ostrich. Go. Go.
Ghost in there.
Go to the
bitch.
devil's anus.
I have my gun.
Let's go.
At 22 ain't gonna help you.
Come on, guys. Behind me we have cave number 1, cave number 2. We're gonna go try these new caves today. Oh man, look. Someone's cooler. Holy crap. Someone got stuck. To get the size of this hole, this cave. There they are. Mud trails go for miles. We don't know. There's so many different ways and crevices. So cool. Probably one of the coolest caverns behind me. It's so big. All these rocks and mud behind us, but that cavern right there is awesome. We ended up in this little cavern.
Wow.
And there's a cave. It's a fire here. And it goes straight up to this hole.
Oh, wow.
What a cool little place. Look, someone's just here.
Oh my gosh, it's just right here. Oh look, there's another side over here.
No way.
Wait, let's see.
This is a good camp spot right
Oh
here.
my god. That
Right?
looks like new.
This is bitchin'.
Great french
What
fry.
do we have here?
We
Hey,
need salt,
can you
mustard,
kick
right?
high? Henry, can you kick high? Higher than you?